How to refund Robux gift cards. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll explain the process of requesting a refund for Robux gift cards. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your specific account on the official Robux website, and then go to the support page at www.robux.com/support. Provide your contact information and a detailed description of the issue, choosing the gift card option under the help category. Please note that the direct refunds for the gift cards are not handled by Robux. According to the Robux official support documentation, refunds for the gift cards must be requested through the payment providers like Apple Tunes, Microsoft, or the Amazon. To initiate a refund for your Robux gift card, go to the help section on the website, find the gift card information, and follow the support services provided by the payment provider from whom you purchased the gift card. For a successful refund process, contact the Apple, Microsoft, or the Amazon directly, and I hope this information helps you navigate the refund process for Robux gift cards effectively. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.